Hello my girlies, welcome to a Thanksgiving makeup look. Today I'll be using these two palettes to do my makeup. I'm going to first start off with the primer though because gotta put primer on before. Then I'm going to go ahead and get some concealer, put it on my eyelash curler, and stamp it on my eyelid where I want to put my concealer. I'll go ahead and do this on the other eye now. I'm going to first start off with some orange just to go on top of the eyelid. I'm not going to be putting this where the concealer is. I'm going right above, as you guys can see. And I'll do this a couple times. Then I'll go ahead and do it on the other eye as well. Then I'll go ahead and use like a brown to go like right in between. So this is going to basically like outline the eyelids. So as you can see, I'm not putting this where the concealer is either. And I'll go ahead and do this a couple times. Then I'll go ahead and do it on the other eye as well. Then I'll go ahead and use like a darker brown mixed with like gold. I don't know what this color is called, but like I'm gonna go ahead and put this one where the concealer is, right on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna do this a couple times, then do it on my other eye. And of course, I'm gonna blend it in. And this is where my next palette comes in, where I will be basically like retouching the same exact colors I did. Now this is where the next palette comes in. As you can tell, I'm basically reusing the same colors. However, this time I'm just retouching because unfortunately my anime palette, it's not that noticeable, so this one's gonna help it like pop out more. Plus this palette has more shimmers, and this one I'm gonna go ahead and put some silver in my eye, and I'll go ahead and touch up the bottom of my eye as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp it just like so. Do it on both sides, then going ahead and finishing up the eyeliner. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyelashes. As you can tell, I'm curling them, but I'm not going to put any mascara on because I already have mascara. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on to putting on my fake lashes. So here we go. Then once I've done both of them, then I'm basically just going to touch up with some lip color. And that is basically it, my girlies. I put concealer as well just so it like stands out more. As you can tell, this looks amazing. And that is basically it, my girlies. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Please make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you girlies next time. Bye.